This program is rated PG. It contains themes and scenes which may not be suitable for very young audiences. Parental guidance is advised.
Good evening, I'm Jenny. And I'm Cindy. This is SBS Pongkoy Batoy News. Distorted reaction and extrajudicial killing. Arlene Salitic reporting. The President said this purging of criminals by other criminals is the reaction of crime or drug syndicates to the entry begun by his war on drugs, which involved public naming of alleged drug suspects before any court process. It is the extrajudicial killing of people getting rid of the criminals by their own hands, said the third. He added that he cannot control the criminals' mind of deciding more than one another. Arlene Salitic, SBN News. Tony Gonzalez gives birth to a baby boy. Cindy Baguio reporting. Host actress Tony Gonzaga has given birth to a baby boy. On Friday, Gonzaga's husband director Paul Soriano shared the good news as he posted a message on Instagram about their baby's arrival. According to Soriano, their baby boy si Brianna Ilian or Sebi was born at exactly 5:23 a.m. Back to you, Jenny. For more news, SBN will be right back after the break.
Diba, when you get what you want, ang sarap ng feeling? Ano pa kaya kung ang matagal mo na gusto, makuha mo? Open an account with BDO to help achieve your dreams. Lahat yan, pwede nang magkatotoo. Ang pinaghirapan, alagaan. Abot ang pangarap, pag BDO ang kausap.
Janet Jackson got pregnant at the age of 50 and tsunami hit Busan. Geraldine Alondra Fuentes reporting. The 50-year-old singer is officially confirming her pregnancy and showing off her going baby bump exclusively with people. After Jackson announced in April, she was postponing her Unbreakable World Tour in May to focus on planning a family with her husband, Wissam Almana. Sources confirmed to People the star was expecting her first child. Busan City, South Korea was hit by a typhoon, and people receiving their took photos and videos, which are hard to believe if it was just a typhoon, as it looked more like a tsunami. According to Korea Times, Typhoon Chaba struck along the south and southeastern coast of the country, with huge waves up to 8 meters, as they cited information from Korean Meteorological Administration. Geraldine Fuentes, SBN, Pongkoy Batoy News. Morocco's final game 4 play was intended for Durham. Mia Reno reporting. For those wondering, final play in Game 4 where Chris Nusa missed a game-tying shot to allow Ginebra at walk away with an 88-86 win. The ball was originally intended to go to Alan Durham, until it did not. Head coach Norman Black went through the sequence that led to Nusa, who just won Rookie of the Year earlier in the night, taking Morocco's last shot. Mayorengo Aldi Casino accepted the role of being a transgender in MMK, and Inigo Pascual confirmed that he is dating with the girlfriend member Kelly Day. Cindy Baguio reporting. Teen actor Inigo Pascual, the son of Kapamilya star Piolo Pascual, has admitted to dating Filipino-British Kelly Day. Inigo said, "She is beautiful, everyone can see that." Pascual met Day, also 18, in an acting workshop. More than 3 months ago, the young actor said he considered Day to his closest friend, and "We have the same interest in everything. Kapamilya actor Aldi Casino gives life to Story, who gets tested by his fate several times in finding real love in Maalaala Mo Kaya this coming Saturday, October 15, 2016. That's all for today's news. 71 days to go for Christmas Day. Good evening. This has been SBN Pongkay Batoy News.